Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. A Google Cloud project and OAuth consent screen configured. This authorizes your app. Next, create OAuth 2. Zero credentials and enter authorized JavaScript origins and redirect URIs. This prevents redirect errors. Now add the Google Identity Services client to your site, either via the hosted script tag or by installing the NPM package. Once done, you'll have a client ID. Make sure to keep it visible to the front end and pair it with secure backend token verification later. You now wire up the front end. Initialize the Google Identity client with your client ID and render a sign-in button or enable one-tap. This provides a consistent UX. When prompting users, request only the scopes you need so consent stays minimal, and choose ID token flow for authentication versus access token for APIs. On sign-in success, capture the ID token and immediately post it over HTTPS to your backend endpoint. Make sure to handle user cancellations and UI states so the flow feels robust. On the backend, you must verify the ID token's signature and claims using Google's libraries or standard JWT verification. This confirms the user. Once validated, create or match a user record, then issue your own session token or set secure HTTP-only cookies to track login. Make sure to revoke tokens on logout and rotate secrets periodically. If things go wrong, check the client ID and redirect URI for exact matches, ensure server clock is accurate, and verify requested scopes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.